welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live. My name is Joy, and this morning you got to explore the science of solids, liquids, and gases. Now, there are other states of matter, such as plasma, but we interact the most with the main three. So take my flask, for instance. This is a solid flask. If I were to break this into a million pieces, then all those pieces would fit back together just like this. I can't just spontaneously shrink this because solids keep their shape. Inside of this flask, there is also a liquid. This is just some water with some food coloring in it. And if we look closely, it is a pretty decent sized circle because it fills up the whole base. And it's about 2 fingers high. But if I pour it from this flask into this small beaker, the liquid might just look a little bit different. So let's see what happens there. And it looks different. So not only is this a different shape, instead of that big wide circle, it's now much narrower. It's more of a full cylinder. But this liquid is now like 5 whole fingers high because this is a smaller container. And the liquids take the shape of their container. Now there's also a gas in this beaker, in this flask, all around us because gas takes up all of the space that it can. But do you think that states of matter can change? So let's see, I have here an ice cube. This is a solid ice cube. It is solid water. Now, think about it this way. If you were to leave this ice cube sitting out, it would probably melt and turn into a liquid. So let's see, we can get some drips going. Oh, there we go. So it's melting and turning into a liquid because of the heat or thermal energy in the air around us and in my hand. But if I were to throw this water just on the floor and walked away and left it, it would probably be gone by tomorrow morning because the thermal energy in the air will make the liquid evaporate into a gas. So if you add enough heat, you can change from a solid to a liquid, or you can change a liquid into a gas. And it works the other way too. If you make something cold enough, it can change states of matter, kind of like how if you put water in the freezer, it turns from a liquid to a solid and becomes a solid ice. So thank you so much for joining us right here this week at Curiosity Corner Live. Make sure you come back tomorrow, and every day we have another full week of science programming ready to go for you that includes daily experiments and challenges that you can try at home. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come back tomorrow and every day at 10:30 and at 3 to Curiosity Corner Live. And until next time, stay curious.